All right, guys, here today to compare two of the kind of leading quick clamps or trigger clamps, whatever you want to call them. One by Dewalt and the others by Irwin. Sold by Lowe's. Dewalt's usually sold by Home Depot, or you can pretty much find them anywhere online. So these are the two 12-inch clamps. Up first is this Irwin clamp. So I haven't seen any videos on it, so I'm just do a quick one comparing the two. Both seem to do the job. These are the heavy duty or their strongest version, 600 pounds of clamping force. I've taken the non-marring pads off of this particular one, but the non-pads pretty much look like this one on the Dewalt. It's kind of this black thing that just sits all the way down. I like the non-marring pads on the Dewalt a little better because, as you can see, they fit in the contours here a lot better. Unlike the Irwins that came with it, I've taken them off, but I don't have them back on. They don't sit in the gaps too well. They tend to fall off a little more. But if you don't use them, most of the clamping force is pretty much up here where these two yellow pads are anyway. But they help pretty much anything I put on there. I used this particular one to build a little cat house, and it worked great. I love it. There's nothing wrong with it. But personally, I bought this first just because it was just a tad cheaper than the Dewalt. But I think I tend to like, the design of the Dewalt a little better. Both are kind of the same thing, one-handed trigger clamps. So, and for me, it's a lot easier because I have a particular condition that keeps my hands from having really fine motor movements. So, but here's some differences that I found. Everything else is all the same. So I noticed that if you want to remove the clamp, this particular clamp, if you want to remove it to make it a separating clamp, this right here, you just depress this and pull it out. It's all plastic, nothing wrong with it. But on the Dewalt, it's a button made out of metal or aluminum, whatever that is. So that's one difference. And another key difference I find is this little release handle to let go of the grip. It's made out of the same material, so you could squeeze it, pull it apart, or you could, use the trigger and it'll close back up. So what I found is just the two differences, just pretty much the metal pieces and this little non-marring black piece that you put over the clamps. Otherwise, everything else is pretty much the same. Functionality wise, they're both the same. But if you just, just looking for just a tad more durability, I think the Dewalt maybe another $1 or $2 more than the Irwins, but you get the little pieces of metals. So, if you want to save a couple dollars, the Irwins are great. Otherwise, functionality wise, there's no real difference. Quality wise, I don't see any real difference except for the two pieces of metal and the marring clamp, the non-marring clamp pieces. But otherwise, I really like them. No real problems with them. Functionality wise, they work for whatever you need them for. And that's it. If you want to see any more, just let me know in the comments. Thanks.